Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Bharat Biotech gets nod from Health Ministry to conduct Phase 3 booster trial of intranasal vaccine. Mandatory RT-PCR testing of all at entry point to safeguard people of the state, says Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Two Omicron cases detected in Ribhoi. Restriction at Umling COVID-19 checkpoint imposed. And home delivery of liquor to continue to ensure revenue generation, says Excise Minister Shillong. The news in detail. The Subject Expert Committee (SEC) of Drugs Controller General India has recommended that Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech can conduct Phase 3 trials on its intranasal vaccine. The company had also sought approval from the SEC to use its intranasal vaccine as a booster dose, to which the SEC asked the company to submit a revised protocol. The company plans to administer its nasal vaccine as a booster dose for those who have received 2 shots of a COVID-19 vaccine. Bharat Biotech aims to conduct clinical trials on 5,000 healthy people. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong on Tuesday clarified that the mandatory RT-PCR testing of all at the entry gate is to safeguard the people of the state. The Deputy Chief Minister said that the decision for mandatory testing of either vaccinated or not is in order to screen people coming from red zones across the country.
RT-PCR test is required from the entry point, irrespective of whether vaccinated or not vaccinated, because people coming from those red or hot places like Delhi or Mumbai or few more places which is the infection rate is very high. We said please go for RT-PCR test, irrespective of vaccinated or not vaccinated. This is purely done on the basis to make sure that our people are fully safe.
Following the detection of 5 Omicron cases in Meghalaya, out of which 2 are from Ribhoi, the additional Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi, M.B. Tongper, said that the district administration is on vigil mode to combat the spread of Omicron. He also informed that night curfew is also imposed in Ribhoi, and apart from that, even people coming from outside have to produce RT-PCR test before entering into the state of Meghalaya to stop the spread of Omicron variant.
Sementara district jadi itu yang support state di Lincoln ni ayat tapi di tentang vaccination. Jadi sementara nak insist kalau orang mandatory bah di luar right RT-PCR report 72 hours before you reach the point. Di tempat tu ni RT-PCR report yang pandai test hantu, but kena hapan dia isolation haduk kena yo yang kami report. Ada kira itu positive report kalau ada dan protokol yang kami can happen it's markedly quality.
Minister in charge Excise Shillong on Tuesday said that the department is planning to continue with the home delivery of liquor to ensure its revenue collection is stabilized. Speaking to media persons, Shillong said home delivery service of liquor will continue and protocols have to be strictly followed. The direction will come from the state if lockdown will take place. According to him, the revenue collected by the department is approximately Rs 250 to Rs 300 crore. On the other hand, the minister also urged the citizens to strictly follow COVID protocols.
So I believe all of us will follow. Actually, if you remember last time we allowed this home delivery, because we have seen that when it happened for the second year, so we have a plan that by allowing this home delivery, we might stabilize when it comes to revenue collection. So no doubt, if lockdown will happen in our state, so revenue will come down, but at least something will be there through this home delivery with a protocol if they should follow it, and then that direction will come from our state.
Early today morning at 1 a.m., the Sinjuk Ki Wa He Chnong attended to the garbage which was lying opposite the DC's office, while other places including Yao Chiap, Yao Thimme, Saint Wright Complex and area near Thomas Jones College were left unattended. Towards evening, the Sinjok Ki Wahe Shillong WJHD met the Deputy Commissioner, West Jaintia Hills District, Garrett L.S.N. Dykes, at his chamber to resolve this repeated problem faced by the public, in which he assured that the problem of garbage will be solved by tomorrow, the 6th of January 2022. In a press briefing held yesterday, the Sinjok Ki Wahe Shillong West Jaintia Hills District said that if the district administration failed to solve the garbage problem of Jowai town, they would be compelled to call for a shutdown of the market areas in Jowai. Meghalaya reported 50 new COVID cases in the last 24 hours, bringing the total active cases in the state to 145, whereas 7 COVID patients have recovered in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of recoveries to 83,301. Meanwhile, over 147 crore 72 lakh COVID vaccine doses have been administered so far under nationwide vaccination drive. India's active caseload currently stands at 2,14,000. The recovery rate is currently at 98.01%. And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 16.6 degrees Celsius, the minimum 6.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 67%, while that in the evening fell by 7% to 60%. No rainfall was recorded. The forecast: weather is most likely to remain dry with shallow to moderate fog. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Bharat Biotech gets nod from Health Ministry to conduct Phase 3 booster trial of intranasal vaccine. Mandatory RT-PCR testing of all at entry point to safeguard people of the state, says Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. 2 Omicron cases detected in Ribhoi, restriction at Umling COVID-19 checkpoint imposed. And home delivery of liquor to continue to ensure revenue generation, says Excise Minister Kirman Shillong. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.
यार प्लीज जल्दी।
दूसरा कोई मैच है क्या?
ऐसा ही कुछ है यार, बैंक जाना है दादाजी को लेके।
हाँ यार, उम्र होने पर कभी कभी मदद तो लगती है,
पर बैंकिंग में नहीं। वैसे भी आरबीआई कहता है सीनियर सिटीजन सबसे